just a quick video on how to change your side indicator. I'm going from these original white indicators to these black sequential LEDs to blend it in better with the paint. It's fairly easy, it's quick, let's just get right to it. So these are my new side indicators. Give me a little box like this. Take this off. Just have a little cable. So they also give you a direction of travel. You see the little arrow here. Based on the direction and the writing, this is going to be the right side indicator. And it is the right side indicator, but the arrow is in the wrong direction. So you would install it, if this is direction of travel, like this on the car. So the steep side is on the end. Of course the smooth here, this ramp is towards the front. Not sure why the arrow is in the wrong direction, why the writing is upside down. Just drawing on the left side, you have this ramp here. Also the top corner is the furthest forward. You have like this steep cliff kind of here. And it's the same setup here. But you see the arrow is now pointing backwards and the writing is upside down. But here it's of course the right way up. So as to how to take them out, as a rule of thumb, pretty much all BMWs I encountered, you push forward and then lift out of the back. Wow. What do you see? It comes out in the back. This is just very closely baked on here. Lots of dirt on here. But you have the spring in the front. You just push it forward against the spring and lift out the back. I'll show you again on the passenger side. Just forward. You can see there's some tension in it. And then you pull out the back. Just like that it comes out. Also, you will get stuck here. Then you just turn it 90 degrees. Then you get it out. It is just because of the design of the plug. Same when you're going in. It's always kind of gets stuck. But if you turn it, it just easily goes in. Then you twist it, easy as that. This is the old assembly, and you will notice that this doesn't really go with the connector. So my assumption is that you leave the plug and you just remove the bulb from the old one, and this plugs in where the bulb was. And just like that, that's the bulb. I have an orange bulb because I have the white glass or the white plastic. It's a white package indicator. And for that you get an orange bulb to still get orange light. You just pull this out of the socket, and the socket of course just twists like 45 degrees, and that's it all. Also you want to remove the seal and use that on the new one. Otherwise this is just pure plastic on metal, on the paint. It might cause some small scratches, but even worse, it's not going to seal, so you may have water coming in there. So you just remove the old seal here carefully. It's probably very old rubber. And then you have to kind of take it out. So it doesn't fit on here as nicely as on the old part. You just continue. You plug this in, like so. And this goes back into the car. You will end up putting the part in just like the old one. The cliff on the back and the ramp on the front. Because you cannot put it in the other way. It's designed on purpose so you don't mismatch them. It blends in fairly well. If I were to remove the 4.4i, it would be even cleaner. But since the wheels are chrome, might as well leave that on, at least for now. This is how you change your side indicator on pretty much any BMW, and probably also most other cars. Usually it is pushing forward. Simply, you may have some drag on it, some wind from driving fast, and you don't want it to be pushed back by the wind and then pop out. So usually you always have to push it forward. Doesn't matter if you want to remove the bulb, change it for an LED, or you change the entire housing or whatever. If you just want to clean it and close it entirely, you can also delete it. That is all. See you in the next video.